Hi guys, it's me Tala, and today I'm going to be showing you how these look like when you paint on them, and these too. And if you hear somebody talking, sorry, that's my nanny, and I'll come back. I just need to bring the paper that I'm going to draw on. Okay. Back. So this is the big notebook that I'm going to be drawing on. Okay, so let's open one page. Oh, that's so big. How is it even possible to draw this? Like, look, you just see paper. Okay, so, and I want to show you this, I don't know why. This is holographic, or hologram, whatever. Okay, so, let's open it. So, we're going to open this. So this is one right here. Okay. So, whoa, that was about to fall down, yeah. So I'm going to cut one paper. If you hear somebody running, that's my brother. I'm going to cut, wait. Okay, so that's it. Now let's draw. So this is the green. This is the green. Wait, does it even draw? Whoa, that's so thin. Ew, I hate that one. Wait, where's over here? It says washable. Okay, so that's one. Ooh, let's try the pink. This is how it looks like when I did it like properly. I hate this voice. This pink seems more like red. Get back in there. This is the pink, which I'll say it's red. Now, which color do I want to try? Let's try. Oh my god. Okay, let's try the color blue. Yeah, that's a nice blue. My favorite color. Blue, come out. Don't be shy. Here. Blue, my favorite color. Oh, this blue is amazing. I just cannot say anything else. Get in there. Bye, see you later, alligator. Wait, get in. You don't want to get out, you don't want to get in. So this is the blue, my favorite color. So, let's try these. They said it's 48. Look, it's like this side is bright and colorful. This side is dark. Okay, so let's open it. Okay. Come on. Why is everything like this? Like nothing want to get in and nothing want to get out. Okay, I got one tape off. And another tape. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was about to like come all out. You all got it there, right? Okay, let's see. Which color? Wait, I'm just going to try like one or two probably from these because like it's a lot. I cannot like do all of them. And of course I'm going to do my favorite color. Blue. You have to be careful when you sharpen this. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, I'm going to show you the colors that I used when I'm done with what I'm doing. Is there no pink in here? Oh no, there is. Ew, this pink looks so ugly. Okay, so then, whoa, be careful, stop spreading going around like this. And then I want to try let's see, what color should I try? Okay, let's do the red. Stop! It's so annoying. You see what I'm doing? And last but not least, I'm going to try the yellow. Okay, so I need to close this pencil case because before all these colors come spreading out. Okay, so I'm going to put it back on because I'm come on now. Okay, so can you see what is this? Comment down below, what does it say? So then I want to try these kind of pens. I'm going to draw something. Let me see. I'm going to draw. What should I draw? Oh, how about a cake or a pizza or whatever? Oh, a nail polish bottle. Okay, let's try that. Sorry, if you hear somebody laughing, that's my nanny again. So, I'm going to do a rainbow nail polish bottle. So start with red, and then orange. I don't have yellow, but red, orange, then yellow, but there's no yellow, and then green, then blue, then purple, and pink. So let's start. First I'll use the red. Wait. I need to first use the black to do the outside part of it. I wish if this works, because I don't even know how to draw nail polish bottles. Wait, that's the worst one. This looks so weird. Where is it? I tried to draw it, but it looks very weird for me. Okay, I think this one is better. Okay, I think this one's better. No. Another one. So. Okay, so this is what I drew. Then I'm going to color the top thingy. I'm going to call it the unicorn bottle. Okay, so red, orange. Orange. Let's try to do it fast. Red, orange, Yellow, I don't have yellow, green, red orange, yellow, green. Green, fast, 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 fast. Red, orange, yellow, yellow, green, blue, blue, blue is blue. Oh my god, here. Yellow, green, blue. Orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, purple, purple. I think the pink is going to be, no, I mean the purple is going to be like the most color in here. I did it so bad because I'm like trying to do it fast. Oh yeah, and wait, I think the pink is going to be the most color. Looks so weird. Okay, so here it is. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to give a shout out to my best friend Farha Majdi, and I wish her to come back because she's not here. So that's it. Do you still like the brush markers more, or the pens, or these coloring pencils? I say I like these pens the best thing here. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Love you all. See you soon. Bye. Oh yeah. Bye.